welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so some of you have been asking me to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Creeper All-Man dance from Surreal Entertainment's music video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go check out this video. I think it's a beautiful piece of animation mixed with a beautiful piece of music. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Dyke, for being the first one to request it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the most simplified version for you beginners out there. Instead of doing jump and so on, we're just gonna walk it out. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna start with the legs. The legs are saying, take a step with your left, and then you want to say, the right is going swing, up, around, back, and then take another step with your left, back. Sorry, let's move a bit to the front here. So let's just start from the beginning. We're gonna say step left, right, say swing, around, back, now left, back, back. Let's try that again. So we're saying step left, swing right, back, left, back. 5, 6, 7, 8, step left, swing, right, round, back, left, back. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, right, left. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, right, left. Alright, now the arms are opposite, so you want to say whenever we step to the front with our left, our right arm is going to come up like this, and the other one is just opposite, right? So it's swinging to the back, the other's to the front. And then we want to say swing, yeah, so notice how it's the opposite again. Swing, still the opposite, right to the front, left to the front, and then swing one last time when you step back with your left. Let's try that again, a bit slower. So we're gonna say 5, 6, 7, 8, left leg, swing, swing, and last swing. Let's try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing, swing, swing. Okay, so we just did left, right, right, left. From here, we want to take a step. Let's just do the legs. We want to take a step to the front with our left again. Whoop. And then we want to prepare for our jump kick. We're jumping on our left, kicking with our right. Let's just do that again from here. We want to say turn, jump. Again, jump kick. 7, 8, jump kick. From here, I want to do one more. So I'm gonna say jump. And actually we're doing small kicks. Kick. From here, I want to land back down on my right, bringing my left back. Let's just try that again. From here, getting ready to jump kick. 7, 8. We want to say jump kick, land right, bring back the left here. Yeah. Notice I'm also turning a bit at the same time. Whoop. Okay, so from new part, the left leg is back here. Then we want to take a step to the front with our left, getting ready to jump kick and turn, kick, and again, kick, land, right, bring back, left, turn. Let's try that once more. So from here, left behind, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, step, get ready to jump kick, here, right, left. Alright, now the arms. So here, remember, it's always the opposite. So when the left is back, our left arm is to the front. So right leg to the back, left arm to the front. Then we want to say swing, opposite, and then you just get ready to say, the arms are saying prep, out, out. Just like you kicking with your leg. Boom. So here, left leg back, left arm to the front. You want to say swing. Here, get ready to say jump out. Here, you want to say when you take back your left, you want to bring up your left arm. So let's try that again. With the arms, 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, out and out, down, lift. Alright, let's try that from the tip top. So, starting with taking a step with our left. Here, we want to say right, round, step. Take a step back with your left. Whoop. Get ready to step to the front again with your left. Boom. Now you want to say jump kick. Whoop. And whoop. Right. Down. Left. Up. Remember, you can always speed up if you think this is going too slow. Okay, let's try from the tip top once again. And I'm gonna, whenever I say right, left, I'm referring to the legs. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, right, left, left again, left, jump on left, jump on left, land, right, and left. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, right, left, left, out, left, right, left. Okay, so from here, you want to take a step back with your right. Boom. Left says swing around to the front. Let's just do that. So from here, left is back. You want to say take a step back with your right. Boom. Left says swing to the front. Let's try that once again. So from here, 7, 8, right, left, left. And remember the arms still opposite. Yeah, so from here, you want to go right, left, left. Okay, so from here you want to do the same. You want to say jump, kick, kick. Jump, kick, kick, land, right, left. So let's just try that whole new part. So the left is back. You want to say right, left, swing, left, get ready to jump, kick. One more, whoop, land, right, left. Now it's kind of hard to tell you where exactly that they land, how much they're turning, because the camera is also, well, in the animation, the camera is turning. So it's kind of difficult for me to say where exactly, but just need to turn a bit, stop. Okay, let's try to do it from the jump, jump part to the next jump, jump part, land, stop. So from here, left is in the front, you want to jump, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, kick, right, left, swing, up, and then get ready to jump, jump, and left. Okay, let's try that again. So from the jump, jump part to the next jump, jump part, land, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, kick, land, right, left, swing, step. Now right says jump, kick, right, land, left, back. Now from here, it's basically just repeating the dance. So from the beginning, so we're landing from here, we want to say left and right, swing, da, and so on. Alright guys, let's take it from the tip to the top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so starting from the very beginning, left step, right swing, around, left back, left to the front, that's a jump kick, right land, left back, left swing to the front, get ready to jump kick, right down, left down. Now we just repeat the dance from the very beginning. You say left, right swing, back, and so on. Okay, let's do it super slow now, starting with our left leg. Remember, when I say right left, I'm referring to my legs here. So we're gonna say left, boom, right swing, right back, left back. Get ready to say left front, left to the front. Get ready to jump kick, turn, jump kick, turn, right down, left to the back, right back, left to swing back, around, front. Get ready to jump kick, turn, jump kick, turn, right, down, left, back, and then you can repeat the dance. Boom, ha, ha. Alright, let's try one more time. So, again, left says to the front, right swing and back, left says front, right says jump kick, whoop, jump kick, whoop, right down, left to the back, whoop, right to the back, left says swing, around, step, get ready to jump kick, 1, 2 times, land right, left back, repeat the dance, boom, ha. Alright, so that was basically one of the dances in the music video. Now, like I said in the beginning, you can make it a bit more advanced if you add this bounce. So instead of just walking, you're adding this bounce as well. So you say, I'm just going to show it from the side. You're going to say jump and bounce and bounce and bounce. Yeah, so you're always keeping this bounce when you do the dance. So I'm just going to show you again. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay, so moving on to the other dances. Now this one is a bit difficult to say what it really does because it doesn't have any arms, but I'm just gonna guess here. I think it's doing hip. Yeah, so notice I'm leaning my body here to my left and shooting my hip to my right. Taking a step with my right, and then I wanna say bring it in, again, in. I wanna do it to the opposite side. I'm saying step left, lean to my right, in, step again, boom. So I'm saying boom and boom and boom and boom and boom, boom. And notice the key here is to lean your body from side to side. Now, if you want, you can add some arms. You can say boom, 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 boom. So I'm basically just rolling my arms. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right. So for the last dance. This is known as the wiggle walk, aka the Charleston. I already have a tutorial on this one, so if you want, you can go check out this one to learn the basic footwork. And then basically what you just need to add is saying a kick at the end. Yeah, so you're saying whoop, whoop, kick, back, back, and so on. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Creeper all-man dance from Surreal Entertainment's music video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.